Hello friends, welcome to the lecture series of instrumentation systems. So instrumentation system is very important subject and it is starting with the instrumentation documents like a process flow diagram, then piping and instrumentation drawings, then hookup drawings, electrical wiring diagrams, panel drawings. So these are very important documents for an instrumentation engineer working in the field because he may have to deal with this documents every day or may have to design as well. So this courses start also introducing the designing part as well as understanding part. And after that, in the second phase, we have instrumentation safety and industrial safety aspects. So various hazardous area classifications and various field devices for industrial safety like pressure relieving valve, pressure safety valve, right? And after that, we will be also discussing interlocks in safety parts. So as we know that there are a set of interlocks in boiler to operate in the safe and operated in the safe way. So such kind of topics are covered in interlock parts, and after that we have field instrumentation section in which the installation of various field devices like pressure transmitter, level transmitters are discussed. The selection as well as their mounting will be covered, and altogether it's very interesting as a topic because already we have discussed about transducers and measurements. So we know the selection criteria and we know the basic specifications. So in this course, you will have some detailed discussion about their mounting and installation. After that, we have instrument air system. So as all we know that all the control loops, in most of the control loops, we have final control element as valve, and functioning of control valve is normally through pneumatic signal. So instrument air system is playing vital role for proper functioning of the control loops because accurate control as well as operation of this valve will decide the actual outcome of the control loop. So there starting from compressor to air distribution, everything will be covered in instrument air system. And at the end we have some general purpose devices like current to pressure converter, pressure to current converter, right? Then some instrument field cables. So altogether it's a very interesting subject and very useful considering practical application of instrumentation field. So I'm looking forward to great learning and wish you all the best. Thank you so much.